What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about critical points and finding the interval of increasing and interval of decreasing, local minimum, local maximum. Here f prime given, which is the derivative of function f, that the f prime is x minus 1 times x plus 2. So critical points are those points that have derivative equals to 0. So it means that x minus 1 times x plus 2 has to be equal to 0, and we will have two roots. One of them is negative 2, one of them is plus 1. So these are going to be the roots and therefore critical points, because these are the roots of the derivative. Now we want to find out what interval if f is increasing or decreasing. We know whenever f prime is positive, function is increasing. Whenever f prime is negative, function is decreasing. So how do we find out in what interval is positive or negative? We're going to have a chart. Roots are negative 2 and 1. And since we have it in factored form is good, x minus 1 times x plus 2. So I'm going to write x minus 1, x plus 2. And here I have the multiplication of these two. So now these two numbers divides the whole range in three parts. For each region, I'm going to assume a number for simplicity. So we have negative 3 in here for all the numbers less than negative 2. From negative 2 to positive 1, I'm going to choose 0. From 1 all the way to positive infinity, let's say 2. If you sub it there, x minus 1 is going to be negative because it's negative 4. Negative 3 plus 2 is going to be negative as well. Here, when you sub 0, it's going to be 0 minus 1, that's negative. 0 plus 2, that's positive. 2 minus 1 is positive, 2 plus 2 is positive. Then negative times negative, positive, negative times positive, negative, positive times positive, positive. So it means that from negative infinity to negative 2, f prime is positive and it's increasing. From negative 2 to positive 1, f prime is negative, is decreasing. And from 1 to infinity, f prime is positive, is increasing. So that's going to be the interval increase or decrease. Now we need to find out which one is local minimum, which one is local maximum for these two. As you see here, to the left of negative 2, f prime is positive, so it is increasing. And to the right of it is decreasing, so it's going to be like that. So it means that negative 2, x equals to negative 2 is maximum. On the other hand, for point plus 1, it's decreasing first and then increasing. So x equals to plus 1, that's minimum. So these are the local minimum and local maximum of this function. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice question. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding calculus, physics and chemistry. Thank you for watching and have a great day.